Hey guys, Jen here with At Home with Jen, and I just got the first printing of my book. I am so excited to share with you. So one of the questions I always hear is, are essential oils gonna work for me? Or how do I use essential oils? So you can spend hours and hours researching that on the internet, or just grab this free book. So I started with the oils many years ago, and I spent so many hours researching. And I put all of that knowledge into this little book here, and it's for the beginner. So if you are starting out with oils and you just want to figure out how to use them, what they're used for, this is going to help you out. So I have an autoimmune disease called EOE, and I spent many years with like no energy, total brain fog. I went from doctor to doctor, and nobody really could help what I was going through. They would just, EOE is still not kind of understood. So I decided to take the natural route, and I took my health back into my own hands. I researched a bunch of stuff. I went to all clean eating. I ditched the chemicals out of my house, and I used a lot of essential oils to help me flip that lifestyle. So I want to help you guys do it too, because I'm sure you can relate. I know there are tons of you out there with autoimmune disease or any other kind of chronic illness, and we really have to start taking our health back into our own hands. Let's try to do some prevention and not just after taking those pills. So I have put a bunch of information in this book, like the little bit of history of the oils, because they have been around forever. These are not new. They're not just for hippies. They have been used for centuries. So we're just trying to bring back some of that knowledge that we used to have that we kind of forgot about. And so there is a lot of that in here. There's also the different ways that you can use the oils. And then I go through 30 plus popular oils because there's like over 600 or so different oils that you can use. But I chose the 30 that are most common, that are the most, have the most properties of stuff that you can use them for. So they're in here. It's also a section on how you can improve your health and wellness and by using the different types of oils. So it is all in here. It's free. So all I ask you to do is pay for the shipping and handling. So if you want to, go ahead. I know you want to. So go ahead, put your name and address in that box over there, and I'm gonna see you on the next page.